Go.
Hey guys, it's Anaya and her mom. So we thought we would do a morning routine video. We just having our last bit of our milk, which I think she's starting to slow down. That's what it looks like. She's drank quite a bit. She's pretty hungry this morning. Let's see. Do we have it? Let's see. Oh yeah, we started out with 9 and we're down to 6. So thought I would go ahead and get her ready for the day. As she's wearing her super cute jammies that she got in her last box swap. Looks like last night in the middle of the night when I was changing her, I forgot to snap her onesie back. But that's okay. Go ahead and take her out of it. She's going to need a diaper change anyway, I'm sure. And as of right now, we can tell Sansa's still asleep. Alright, so we need those, I'm sure. And oh guys, Anaya. Oh, she had a poop explosion. Oh gracious. Oh, that's what that smell was earlier. Oh goodness gracious, Anaya. Yeah. Give me a new diaper, sissy.
Okay.
My gracious baby girl. I don't know about y'all, but I'd have been fussy if that was me. So today, we're going to put her in a romper. And today we're going to put her in this really cute romper. And then I'll do her hair. I don't know why we're looking at Sansa again. My son's videoing, so he's following his own direction. Also, we are also going to be doing another video for my kids' channel, another snack tasting, and then they're going to be playing Bean Boozled.
I'm so scared.
So, you guys will have to watch. So we're just going to do her hair. Her hair is always so easy to brush out and lay down the way we want it. And then we have this really pretty dark pink bow that we're going to put on her. And there we have it. The little niece is all ready. So, I hope everybody has a great day. And be watching for a new video coming soon of a nursery tour and a video for my kids, and I'll link it down below after we do it. So hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.